Pretty simple. Let's go back to a product. Let's go and just pick any bloody product. This'll do. So this product here, what even is it? Wireless earbuds is $54.99. Now that product, that price is inclusive of GST. Inclusive of GST. Now, Amazon has not added that GST on. So the seller here, Soundpeats, did not start with a GST exclusive price, and then Amazon is displaying a GST inclusive price. The seller, Soundpeats, has charged $54.99, which also includes GST. So, whenever you're setting up your pricing, you should always factor in GST into your pricing. Amazon does not factor that in for you. You must factor that in yourself. So you must add on, if your margin, if your profit margin, etc., and you've done all your numbers and you worked out that you can sell your product for $49.99, for instance, then you need to sell it at $54.99 to factor in your GST as well. Okay, so that's something for you to consider. Amazon does not add it in, it just assumes that you have added it in. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.